In a significant move that could reshape global trade dynamics, the United States has announced the implementation of new reciprocal tariffs. But what does this mean for international markets and everyday consumers? On April 8, 2025, U.S. Trade Representative Jamieson Greer confirmed that President Trump's reciprocal tariffs are set to take effect at midnight on Wednesday. Despite ongoing negotiations with various nations, these tariffs aim to address what the administration perceives as unfair trade practices. The tariff structure includes a universal 10% levy on all imports, with higher rates for specific countries. For instance, China faces an effective tariff rate of 54% on its goods, considering existing measures. These tariffs are part of a broader strategy to promote domestic manufacturing and address trade imbalances. The announcement has elicited varied responses globally. While some nations are seeking exemptions or negotiating new trade agreements, others are considering retaliatory measures. The European Union, for example, has offered to reduce industrial tariffs, aiming to de-escalate potential trade conflicts. Economists warn that such tariffs could lead to increased costs for imported goods, potentially affecting consumer prices and market stability. Industries reliant on international supply chains may face disruptions, and there are concerns about the broader implications for global economic growth. Domestically, the tariff strategy has sparked debate among policymakers. Some senators have expressed concerns about the potential economic fallout and are seeking clarity on the administration's long-term trade objectives. The coming weeks will be crucial in determining how these policies unfold and their impact on both the U.S. As the situation develops, staying informed is essential. Subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on trade policies and their implications. Share your thoughts in the comments below. How do you think these tariffs will affect the global economy? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth analyses on international developments.